So yesterday, Joe and I had to go do a shoot in Georgetown, which is about 50 minutes away from Myrtle Beach. We had to do a drone shoot, and as things go sometimes, had some technical difficulties. I'm going over the footage today, and it looks really pixelated, and it looks like shit. So unfortunately, today, I have to go all the way back there and redo the shoot. Rather than being really crabby and pissed off about it, I figured I could just bring along my camera and vlog me going and doing this aerial shoot, because it's in a pretty cool location and maybe I can make a cool video about it. So let's go.
Can I have a medium iced coffee with oat milk?
I live and breathe for iced coffee. So for some reason the traffic is terrible today. I've been driving for what feels like a really long time, and I just looked and I still am 30 minutes away. But man, it's a beautiful day. I'm jamming to some music, so it's not too bad. So everybody's been absolutely freaking out over this gas shortage thing. The other day, I literally saw people, multiple, 20 cars deep, lined up out of the Walmart freaking parking lot to get gas. There was guys in orange vests, like guiding traffic like it was a concert or something. People filling up multiple gas cans. I just pulled up to this gas station, zero wait whatsoever, just filled up my tank, got gas, no problem. People, you need to chill out. I made it. Alrighty, I just made it. I'm at the friend-filled marina at Georgetown, and the goal of this job is basically a client owns some boat slips, like docking areas for boats. Nothing too crazy. I just got to fly my drone and get some footage of them, get some photos of them, and kind of the surrounding amenities. So that's what I'm going to go do. Let's go. Man, some of these boats are huge. Alright, so the boat slips are right over there on the other side of this dock. So what I'm going to do is just launch my drone, fly it over there, and get some footage and pictures. 3, 2, 1, take off. Take off. Alright, so I got a lot of the dock. There was 3 different boat slips that I needed to photograph and take videos of. I got that. I got some of the marina. I got some of the waterway and views. So, might be it for me. Pretty simple shoot, which is why I figured it'd be a good one to vlog, to just start off. So, might be a wrap on this location. So yeah, I just had to drive 1 hour and 7 minutes for a shoot that took me about 20 minutes to do. But that's just the way it works sometimes. I'm out of this location. See you in a minute. Look at these trees. Look how cool these trees are, man. They look like badass and like weird and creepy at the same time. You know when you enter somewhere and it's a gated area and you have to put a code in? You're entering a pretty nice area. So now I'm in this spot called Prince George, what was it called? Prince George River Club. And we got this like club amenity center thing right here. Another marina down there that I got to photograph and fly the drone. So let's do it. There wasn't much to photograph here, so I just got what I needed, and now I am done with shoot number 2. So I'm about to head back to Myrtle Beach and get to editing. Alright, so I'm back home. I'm going to back up my footage and then get to editing. But to wrap this up, this video kind of had like 2 themes to it. The first one being I wanted to bring you guys along with me on a shoot. Thankfully this one wasn't very complicated, so I was able to multitask and do a couple things at once. And to be honest, I think it actually went really well. I had a lot of fun with it. And the second one being, I woke up this morning and when I went to go edit and do my work, I started to see that all this footage wasn't looking good, and I was getting really frustrated because I'm not going to give a bad product to a client. So I was realizing, son of a I really got to go back all the way there, drive an hour, redo all this. It's going to take my whole day, blah, blah, blah. And I started going down this rabbit hole of getting really overwhelmed and frustrated. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stop myself. I'm going to see what can I do to make the best out of this current situation. And it's not something I'm able to do every single day, but thankfully today I was. And I had the idea, hey, bring along my camera, I'm gonna vlog my day, see if it's something cool. It was a beautiful day, it was a great day for a drive. I jammed with some music, I vlogged, and I made the best of it. And now I have a video, and it's pretty cool. So that's one thing I'm trying to focus more on going forward, is just trying my best to catch myself when I go down these rabbit holes of getting overwhelmed and think, what can I do to make the best of this current situation? Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, but the best we can do is try, right? So thanks for watching. I'm gonna end the video there. Please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It would be really sick. And I would love you forever. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.